Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your carrier allows hotspot and that your tablet's mobile data is active. This prevents surprises once you share. Next, open settings and go straight to network or connections. Make sure airplane mode is off and cellular data is enabled. Once done, locate mobile hotspot or tethering. Don't pause to tweak name yet. Just enable the hotspot toggle to begin broadcasting while you prepare secure settings in the next step. Now you configure the hotspot so it's usable and safe. Tap the hotspot name field and enter a concise SSID that's easy to spot but not personal. Then select security and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. Enter a strong password with letters, numbers, and a symbol. This stops casual freeloaders. After that, use advanced options to limit connected devices or enable a data cap to control usage. Once saved, your tablet is ready to accept connections. Finish by pairing your laptop or phone, open Wi-Fi on the client device, select your SSID, and enter the password. If a device won't connect, first toggle the hotspot off and back on and restart the client device. This clears temporary conflicts. If connected but no internet, check mobile data is active and you haven't hit your carrier's limit. One key troubleshooting tip: if connectivity remains faulty, reboot the tablet and verify API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.